channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to show you 2 Amazon KDP low content niches that are relevant for 2023, and they also have low competition, high demand, and a great keyword niche score. To help you get started, we're going to do the research together, and we're going to also look for interiors in Creative Fabrica. Now, if you want to be a subscriber for Creative Fabrica and download an unlimited number of KDP interiors, KDP keywords, as well as graphics, fonts, and everything else, then you can access the trial for 30 days for $1. You can see the link for that in the description box below. Now let's get started with the first keyword for the day, and I am using Self-Publishing Titan's free Chrome extension to get all these analytics, and you can go ahead and download that as well from the Chrome browser. So the first keyword for the day is hourly scheduling books for appointments 2023, and this is a great keyword that has a wonderful niche score of 58 and a total result of 501. The average price is 0.58 cents, surprisingly low, and there are a couple of low content books that are ranking quite well under this keyword. For example, we have this one. Although the title is not very clear, yet it is still selling quite well, and it currently has a rating of 4.6 with 24 great happy customers and a BSR score of 622,448. And we're going to go ahead and have a look, have a sneak peek at what is inside this appointment scheduling book, so we can get an idea on the number of pages, the inside interior, not in an intention to copy, but more of to see and seek inspiration and motivation, so we can know what we want to do in our book and how to make it unique, and most importantly, how to add value. It's really, really important to focus on adding value when you are diving into niches related to Amazon KDP low content, because the more value you give, the better it is, and the better that your book is going to be ranking easier. So this is the look inside feature. Unfortunately, I do not like the title. It is very poorly written. As you can see here, the most important word for the title, appointment, is hidden behind or masked behind the wooden patterned interior. Now, there's plenty of ways to write this differently and to design it differently, but then again, this book is selling and it is priced at $5.99. The interior is basically a blank page by Journals for All, and they have the publisher's name in there, and then it goes on just as a logbook style of 52 weeks from Monday to Friday, or Monday to Sunday, from 7 a.m. to 8:45 p.m. divided into 30-minute slots in order to book appointments, and it goes on page after page same. Now, there's a couple of different ways you can go ahead and design it differently that really adds value. You can dedicate a page for this book belongs to, allow the customer to write in their details just in case if this book was lost and found, so then they'll be able to return it to the person who owns it. You could also write a page about, or dedicate a page allowing the customer to input data relating to their company, relating to their contacts, their immediate contacts. So there's plenty of ways to go about it that adds value. So let's have a look to see. It has 8.5 times 11 inches, 100 pages. Here it says 106 pages, and is currently ranked number 618 office equipment and supplies. Now, then again, I do like to have a look at the author as well to see what kind of books they have been publishing, and this is a great way to see what is selling well for them, and also to have a sneak peek through at the keywords as well, because it gives you a lot of potential to find profitable keywords that way also. Now let's have a look at the second keyword for the day, and it is business scheduling a book for appointments 2022 to 2023, and it has a wonderful keyword niche score of 55 and a total results of 540. Average pricing is then again a little bit too low, which is surprising, 0.71 cents. And there is plenty of books that are receiving a bestseller rank, selling quite well. I am yet to find a low content KDP book. Most of them are FBA related, but we'll just continue to scroll down as we are in the first page, and we will see if we can find a KDP book. And yes, we have found it. It has a bestseller rank, and the bestseller rank is 146,556. So it is selling, and this is a low content Amazon KDP book. It is Chaos Coordinator 2023 appointment book. Now it is different to the original keyword that is business scheduling book for appointments 2022-2023, but they did list this profitable keyword right here in their 7 keyword slots, since it is not mentioned in neither their title nor subtitle. It is mentioned in the 7 keyword slots, and for this reason it is ranking quite well as well. So that gives us a lot of potential to have a look at this keyword while we are at it and see is it profitable or not. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste it in the, and we have a lot of Amazon KDP books, no FBA books right here, even ones that are selling. Some of them are still new because let's not forget we just entered 2023 if you are watching this in January, beginning of January. So it's still a fresh new niche, but it is selling quite well. So we're just going to wait for the data here to load, and as we are waiting for this to load, we're going to go ahead to Creative Fabrica and write appointment book. There's appointment planner, there is a 2023 appointment book, there's a even more niching down, which is exactly what I talk about in this channel, is the potential for niching down. Never underestimate the potential to niche down. For example, with this the 2 niches that we had a look at today that are connected, they are all around the appointment book niche. So then you can niche down to barber, to salon, to doctor, to nurse, to teacher. So many different categories you can niche down here too. So don't underestimate the power of niching down. Unfortunately, this Chaos Coordinator 2023 appointment book is not profitable. It has a very low keyword score, but at least now we know. So as you can see, there are a lot of potential right here. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this and see what kind of designs they have. And this is a great way to know. Now always remember, when you are downloading the interiors for KDP from either Creative Fabrica or from Etsy, always remember to change them around once you download them. Don't upload as it is, because you'll get duplicate content. You will risk your account getting suspended and banned. So always remember, this interior right here is very similar to the one that we had a look at in our first niche, which is hourly scheduling book for appointments. This one right here, this book that we had with the wooden design. So there's a lot of this, also is quite similar as well. There's a lot of appointment books that you can niche down. This one's undated. This one is a special appointment book also for students. So there's a lot of potential. Go ahead, have a look, and if you enjoyed today's video, like, share and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.